Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ProTransport step by step to manage your trucking operations. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try ProTransport, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to simply just click on the link that is given in the description. This way you will be landed here on the official website of protransport.com. Over here, you will see this prompt that says tracking software that is designed for you. So let's just briefly understand what is ProTransport exactly and what it actually does. So ProTransport is a flexible transportation management system, or TMS briefly, designed for trucking companies. Its main goal is to help fleets maximize the efficiency, lower the costs, and simplify the daily operations. So whether you are running a small regional fleet or managing hundreds of trucks, ProTransport is going to give you one central platform to track the loads, monitor the finances, and schedule maintenance and improve the communication between dispatchers, drivers, and customers. So in order to get started with them, you need to click on the option of schedule a demo that is available here on the page. This is the best way to get started because a pro transport representative is going to walk you through the software, answer the specific questions, and help you configure the system on a call. So after that call, you will get access to your dashboard, and your dashboard is going to become your control center. From there, you can set up the company details, you can add the fleet vehicles and onboard the drivers, and you can also connect your accounting or fuel systems through the integrations. So this is the way of getting started with them. Now let's just talk about what this particular software offers you, like the features that it provides. So first of all, you will get the option of dispatch and load management. With the help of it, you will be able to assign the loads to the drivers quickly, monitor pickup and delivery times, and track the job progress in real time. With the help of it, you will be able to keep a log of inspections, maintenance schedules, and repair for the each vehicle. This helps reduce the downtime and prevent costly breakdowns as well. It is also going to give you driver management option. With the help of it, you will be able to store drivers' profiles, safety records, and compliance documents in one place. You can also monitor hours of service and make sure that you are following the regulations. It is also going to give you the accounting and the billing option. With the help of it, you will be able to generate the invoices, track the expenses, and record the payments directly in the system. ProTransport is going to integrate with the popular accounting tools so that your books stay clean and up to date. This is also going to give you the fuel card and IFTA reporting that can help you track your fuel purchases, integrate with fuel cards, and automatically calculate IFTA tax reports, saving you time during audits. With the help of it, you can also upload and manage the essential documents like bills of lading, rate confirmations, and compliance paperwork for easy access. With the help of their customer portal, you will be able to give your clients visibility into shipments, invoices, and reports. The transparency improves trust and reduces the number of check-in calls you need to handle. With the help of their integrations, you will be able to connect with load boards, fuel systems, and accounting platforms that are going to help you create a seamless workflow without juggling the multiple tools. Now, what I really liked about this platform is that it is an all in one platform that is built specifically for tracking companies. It has strong dispatch and load tracking features. It is going to help you with the compliance through IFTA reporting and deliver safety tracking. It integrates with other essential tools like accounting and fuel cards. The demo call provides personalized onboarding as well. Now, here are some of the cons too, which I would like to mention. Like the system can feel complex for very small fleets. The pricing isn't openly listed on their website, so you need to schedule a demo to get the exact details about it. Some of the features may take some time for your staff to fully learn and adopt. So the question here is it actually worth it? So in my opinion, if you are looking for a dedicated truck management system that brings dispatching, billing, maintenance and compliance into one place, then yes, it is a strong choice. It is flexible enough to support small carriers but powerful enough to scale with the larger fleets. The learning curve and a custom pricing may be some of the downsides of this platform, but the overall value makes it a reliable tool for professional trucking businesses. So that's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.